The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
I say I have to get some money in my palm car. I have to mash up the club. Yeah. But not even. I'm not good. You remember me?
What again?
Want the money.
I know you.
Want me money.
No.
Want money. Must.
Mr. Sir, oh God, thank you, Mr. Sir. Thank you for taking me back, Mr. Sir. I promise, Mr. Sir, that I'm going to do everything you say. Mr. Sir, country life hard, you know, Mr. Sir.
Jennifer, you're on a very thin line, all right? Foolishness will not be tolerated.
All right, well, listen to me. Yes, well, listen.
All right? You're going to take the instructions given to you by myself and my wife.
Yes, Mr. Sir. If I don't... Yes, Mr. Sir. If I don't understand, I will ask. I will listen to instructions carefully, and the foolishness will not be tolerated. Yes, Mr. Sir. Yes. Mr. Sir, go ahead. Me take up the things, them, no? The van, Mr. Sir.
Come, hurry, man. I have to go, man.
Ah, then, Mr. Sir, you can't help me. Eh?
What? I asked the agency for a housekeeper.
Housekeeper? Me a go. Come and sit again.
What you're doing, Marcus? That's it.
Want my money. Want the money.
Hello?
You see your face so it's hard like exam. Me want me money.
Do I know you?
Me want me money. Me want me money.
I want to do.
Me want me money.
He's robbing now. Come for rob, Mr. Sir.
Listen,
don't worry yourself, Mr. Sir. Don't say nothing. Because I know, Karat, you wanna come.
Country woman, let me tell you this. He make me one whole day work in the office and dance for the whole day and not pay me.
What?
You know him want me want me money.
But you know what? Get on the car.
Me want me money. He have to pay me today. Me want me money.
Get in the car, Miss Jennifer.
Claudet, go back. That time can't move to the day. Me want me money. You think you might get out too much money for me? Want my money. You think you get out too much money for me? Want my money.
You have your good Mrs. Mom. Are you couldn't handle?
Don't get my wife involved. Do not get my wife involved, all right? Hey, you know what?
Want my money.
For peaceful life. How much do I owe you?
500 and I send it out quick and fast. You think you get out so much money for me? Want my money. You have my bills to pay. You have things to do.
Here.
Give me this. Come, Claudette, me get my money. Think me make him get out so much of my money? Think me an idiot?
Then, Mr. Sir, me not think since you have your good wife, Mrs. Mom, you that handed it.
Hey, listen, let me stop right there. Let me stop you right there, all right? Do not get my wife involved in this.
All right, as you say, I'm glad to be back. Thanks for the raise.
Raise? What raise?
The raise in pay. No. You said you don't want Mrs. Mom to get involved. No, I know. So you. Jesus!
What?
If you got my luggage, them.
I can't. Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the John Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video, but not so much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright?
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.